Hello everyone. In this video, I'm briefing on FIN5823-1W5A, that is time value of money task. As a part of this task, we are supposed to understand five important elements that are simple present value, future value, annuities, specialties, and mortgages. All these five elements should be properly understood, and we are supposed to perform certain calculations. We are supposed to take some examples and perform calculations related to these five elements, and you should present them in your own document and attach Excel sheet that is used for performing calculations. Whatever the calculations that you have performed in the Excel sheet, that should be taken screenshot and presented in the OSA. Okay, so you are supposed to submit the both. For completing this activity, you have you are given with certain documents. There are one, two, three videos and two PDF documents. Just listen to these videos. However, these PDFs are very clearly given, like in these PDFs, information is given very clearly. We can use that information and perform activities. Okay, perform activities to complete this task. So let me show you. In this one, time value of money, um, it clearly explains the concept of time value money. And here, if you check this one, to calculate future value, what is the formula? We are supposed to take present value and rate of interest. So it's very clear. So make sure this formula is used to calculate the work. Okay, so calculate future value. So there are different type of options that are given. See here, the future value using different format. When for different situations, the formula will be varying. Okay, when we consider depreciation, this is how the value will be calculated. So, like maybe at the end of each task, certain questions will be given. Make sure you perform calculation and fix the activity. Okay, so that is all about this one. Like first task, like for second tasks also, like those the titles that are given, maybe for mortgages, annuities, perpetuities, for all these things, there are certain formulas and certain Excel sheets that are given here. They are very clearly provided in the document. Um, make sure you perform the activities following the steps that are given inside it. Okay. So I want you to prepare both, like for these mortgages and annuities, you will be required to perform calculations in Excel sheet. So make sure you perform Excel-based activities and submit your document. You just cross-check, just go through all these calculations. So the proper Excel sheet-based calculations are provided in each task. Okay. So how they change and how we have to perform calculations that are clearly given in the document. Make sure you follow it and you finish that. Okay. So if you are already done with the task, please make sure you make appropriate calculations and present your document. The example question should look like this. This is a question: what would be PV and FP of 100 PS annuity? So this is the question given. So you are supposed to use Excel-based analysis to perform calculation, and this is how the value will be. Okay, this is how the value should be calculated. Okay, this is related to the annuities question. So you can clearly cross-check, can clearly check all the values that are given. So actual cash flow every year it is 100 and PVF. This is the formula for FPF. FPF is given future value factor and present value factor. These are so cumulative value is calculated. Just make sure you cross check how the calculation is done. Okay, for each task clearly provided. Read the document and finish. Okay. So I hope you understood. I want every calculation is done according to this PDF document. So you take any example, like for example, at its annuity function for something you took some example. Right now, in the place of 100, you can take 200 and you can perform the calculation. Okay. For like other maybe mortgages, you can perform some XYZ example. Examples are given in the document. You just change the values and create your own Excel sheet and send it to me. The Excel sheet should contain the formulas. It is not just values. It should contain some formulas how you calculated the values. Okay. So read the document. Make sure to finish it with appropriate data. Okay. All the best. Thank you.